Hey everybody, today we're in a Ford F-150. We're going to be showing you how to install the ProClip angled mount number 855675. And before we get started, there are a couple things we want to mention. First of all, this mount does use some double-sided tape. You'll see the blue covering here. You do have to peel that covering off before you install the mount. And that tape is designed so that if you ever have to remove the mount in the future, it's not going to leave any marks or residue behind. Second, always make sure you install your mount to the vehicle before you screw anything to this faceplate. So with that, we'll get started. Now this particular mount is going to attach in two different seams. The first is here between this kind of hard plastic face and then this upper dash piece. The second is up here between this same dash piece and the actual upper portion of the dashboard. So the first thing we're going to do, the mount came with two gap openers. We're going to use those to open up this seam. We'll insert the first one here just to the left of this curve downwards. And the second will go just below this curve downwards. With the gap openers in place, we're ready to insert the first lip of the mount, and that's going to be this lower J-shaped lip. And you'll notice there's a notch cut out of that lip, and that's to engage a clip that's behind this piece of trim. So we're going to insert that lip into the seam, and once it's in place, you might have to slide the mount until the notch engages. Once the notch is in the right place, it should not slide up or down. Once you have it in place, we're going to take the gap openers out, and we're going to move those to the upper seam. And we're going to go just to the left and right of the mount here. So now with the gap openers up here, we're ready to insert that final lip. And while we do that, basically you want to put your thumb on the mount here. You want to use your other hand to prevent the gap openers from popping out of that seam. Once it snaps in, you can remove the gap openers. And now we have a nice solid mounting platform for a custom ProClip device holder. We hope this video has helped. Have a great day.